Alright guys, my computer is on a fritz. It powers up and then it shuts down. So I think we're going to go ahead and do our end of year wrap up. Things are starting to slow down. It's getting cold out. It's not everything. A lot of my bigger relics are out in the garage. So I guess we'll start over here. Got one of the little wind arrows. Did not find the other part for it. I know I got some more of these somewhere. Not sure where. Little harmonica reeds. I think I got some more of these somewhere. Some compact cases. This one's silver plated. Boy Scout thing. Little lucky thing. Badge thing. I did get a few Tootsie Toys. I gave one of them away. This I thought was really cool. I found one of these a couple years ago, and I went back to the same spot, found another one about the same spot with the Indian head penny. Then I got some silver plated. Get out of stuff. Silver plated silverware pieces. Some buckles, suspender thing. Got a full Croto bell, which I thought was really cool. It's the first one of those this year. I did get a pocket watch and I gave it to the landowner. I have to go back and see if he got cleaned up, but I also got a pocket watch top. Really cool cross right there. With I think it's got some stuff on the back there. Got this really cool old car. I think I got another one of these, but I'm not sure where it's at. I'm pretty sure this is gold. Or at least it was gold plated. It rang up like foil. It's not, I mean, it's not too flimsy. There's not no markings. So, I don't know. Got first ring. I don't know if it's silver plated. It says Mexico 925. So, I don't know if it's stainless steel, it's silver plated. It really doesn't look silver, but still got a good ring. Not sure what this is, but it's got a little thing on it. And there's our buttons. I think by far this is the coolest one I found out in the field. And I got this big old thing. This has got like some dancing people or something on it. And then some, of course, leather rivets. Got a few more of those somewhere. Alright, and there is our wheat pennies for the year. And there's our Indian pennies. I got 3 Indian pennies. I feel like I got more than that, but who knows. 2 Mercury dimes. 2 Washington quarters. Old rabies vaccination dog tag off my dog when I was a kid at my mom's place, which is awesome. I found one off my grandparents' dog too, so that's somewhere over here. Actually, let's see if we can find that real quick. Maybe. I don't know. Somewhere. And here's some bucket listers. I did get a V-nickel this year. It was 1902, I believe. V-nickel. I did get a large cent. 1853, I believe. First one ever. Well, I guess this is my second one. This was my first one. It was a 1900 British large cent. But my first American large cent. This is my oldest coin today. So that was my oldest coin, and she came out in great condition. Found that with the Apex. I did get a Canada, my first Canada silver quarter. And I also got a war nickel this year. Got a lot of bucket listers this year, guys. So, these are all my coins I found before. And there were some of the relics and stuff from before too. So, alright guys. Well, thank you for thank you for watching, and like, subscribe. I guess we could take a walk out here and go look at these relics out here real quick. So there's all my horseshoes. Oh, there's some of the other Tootsie Toys or whatever I found. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Here's all the smaller stuff. And I got 4 buckets of trash this year. Maybe 5. I think I already scrapped a bucket. So, alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.